This is a creative way of removing late payments from your credit report that you guys probably have never thought of. Look, messaging the CEO of these credit card companies and just simply asking for forgiveness. In this quick video, I'm gonna break down a method that you guys can use by messaging the CEO and getting those late payments removed. So I know since 2020, probably even before that too, times have been hard for some people. People are losing jobs, economy is getting bad, people are saying a recession is coming. So I know bills are piling up, people are racking up on credit card debt just to get by, and late payments can occur, right? The good thing about late payments is that it's not the end all be all. Late payments do get removed from your credit report within 7 years that you're first late on that credit report. But who wants to wait 7 years when there's different ways and different methods that you can go ahead and actually remove those late payments from your credit report? This method will work extremely well for people who might have just 1 or 2 late payments, that might have forgot to pay something or might have had just one bad month in business, whatever the case may be. And all you're really doing is going on a specific website, and I'm gonna let you guys know exactly what that website is, finding the CEO of the bank's email and messaging that CEO a specific message so they can then give you a call, confirm that it was really you that sent the email, and then they will give you an answer on if they will forgive you and remove that late payment from your credit report. So as I mentioned before in a previous video, there's many different credit repair methods. There's many different ways to remove negative items on your credit report. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I got so many different methods coming, so many different ways to go ahead and remove those items off your credit report. So let's get straight into it, right? Again, many people have these late payments on their credit report. You want to go on a website called ceoemail.com, right? And I'm gonna have it in the video, ceoemail.com. Wait, before you even do that though, obviously you want to always pull up your credit report. I recommend the one and only Identity IQ. I'm going to have the link in the description for you guys to go ahead and get your full credit report, right? All 3 FICO scores for $1. 7-day free trial going on, $1. You get your full credit report, all 3 credit scores. You want to pull that up and know the exact accounts where these late payments are and the account numbers, all the information for these accounts before you even go to ceoemail.com. When you search up Capital One, the CEO's email or information is going to pop up. It's going to say the CEO's name, and it's going to give you a button to go ahead and click. You go ahead and simply just click that button and it will literally just give you the CEO's email, right? Sweet, plain and simple. It's not hard. You search up, you find the CEO's email, but the trick is messaging them the right message, right? So here's a great example of how you guys can go ahead and message that CEO. I'm gonna leave some other examples as well in the description that you guys can go ahead and copy and paste and just put into your own words. But for the most part, you really just wanna have the information, right? You want to have the card information, the account information, your name on there in that email. You want to put it in that email, and then you want to give them some type of story. Never admit to the late payment. Never say you were, late. Just say, hey, I've checked my credit report. I'm looking to buy a home in the next year, next few months. I've noticed this late payment is hurting my credit score tremendously. I was wondering if you guys can go ahead and forgive. I've been on time for the past few months, and that's another thing that will benefit you guys. If you guys are currently on time and on top of your payments, and let's say you had a late payment within the last 4 months or 4 months ago, as long as you're currently on time, or if you're currently on time, that will benefit a lot. You can explain that in the email. And if you guys haven't used ChatGPT, go on chatgpt.com and you guys can actually ask ChatGPT what you guys can go ahead and email, the CEO, and ChatGPT will also give you some suggestions as well. You want to put it into your own words. You never want to copy exactly what ChatGPT says, because obviously it's a robot. people can catch on to that verbiage. So make sure you just put in your own word. You want to use it as kind of like a leeway or an idea of what you guys can go ahead and message that CEO. So usually what's going to happen after you send that message, in like, 3 to 4 business days, you're going to get a call from the company. I know Capital One for sure is going to call you. What they're going to do is confirm, your information and confirm that it was you that sent that email. And then they will call you back in a couple more business days and let you know their final decision on that late payment. So look, once you're on CEOemail.com, you want to look for the search bar. It might be on top, it might be on the side, depending on what device that you're using, whether that be like a phone or a desktop, laptop. Just look for the search bar and you want to search up the company that you have the late payment with. So for example, if it's Capital One, you want to go ahead and search for Capital One. And then once you click search, it will pop up. It will show the CEO's information. You want to click again, email, and then it'll take you to another page. And then you'll be able to see the CEO's email right there. You'll be able to copy it and paste it into your email so you can go ahead and send them a message. As you can see, that method is very, very simple, very, very easy to use. If you're still not comfortable disputing and, removing stuff on your credit report by yourself, make sure you contact us. I'm going to have information here in this video. Make sure you contact us. We do free credit repair consultations. We'll look over your credit report and let you know exactly what needs to be done. And then we can go ahead and get that credit repair done for you. We have different packages that fit all budgets now. So we'll go ahead and get the job done for you. If you enjoyed this video, if you got some knowledge today, make sure you share, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Eddie, as always, follow me on Instagram as well. Out of here.